loves, welcome back to the channel. In fact, welcome to our late this is very late vlogmas day 19 video. See, a lot is going on right now, festivity, events, a lot, in fact business as well is going on, and yeah, that's why I'm slacking. Like, I'm doing a lot of stuff at a time, but trust me, I don't start what I can't finish. No matter the struggles, I'm still going to end strong. Okay, so yeah, we have few days to go, and I'm going to make sure I upload all 25 videos. Just bear with me if it's coming late, but yeah, we are going to get there. Okay, so in today's video I am showing you how to make this 100% vegan chinchin. You know, now Christmas is here and everybody is crunching on something, and our vegan brothers and sisters aren't left out. Okay, so yeah, this coconut milk powder is like the ultimate. This is the goal. Okay, so you can see this is very good, and you can use it for coconut rice as well. It smells amazing, it tastes amazing. Do well to try it, you will love it, trust me. Okay, so yeah, in this recipe we are not using eggs, and we are not using whole milk. We are not using milk, okay, because those are like animal based, so we are not using them. So what we are using is actually plant-based, which is the coconut powder or milk that we just added, yeah, and the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I will be leaving the complete ingredients and measurements in the description box, so do well to check it out. And yeah, this is one amazing chinchin that you need to try. I have this recipe in bulk and it's sold for 10,000 naira. Okay, so if you want to go into chinchin business and you want to go for different variants for your clients, this is one recipe that you need to buy. Those of you that already bought our milky chinchin recipe, you already know it's the real deal, right? So yeah, don't slack. Oh, chinchin business is like a very long-term business that doesn't fade. So yeah, okay, let's go on. I'm mixing already my dry ingredients. For the sugar, I actually went very low. I used just half a cup because I want this to be really calm, and yeah, I want this to answer the name it is called. I don't want it to be sugary or anything at all. Yeah, so I'm just adding blended coconut. You know, I have the coconut, dried dehydrated coconut, so I blended a bit more and added, because I want it to have like coconut stuff in it. I don't want, you know, the powder I added was very smooth, so I added that one because I want the coconut crunch in it. So now I've added my butter, and I'm just going to mix this, get a breadcrumb kind of look, mix my coconut flavor. I'm using industrial coconut flavor. You can use Foster Clark if that's what you can get, and of course I'm using some milk emulsion, and I'm just going to mix that in water. And yeah, that's basically everything, and I'm going to mix the wet and the dry, and we are good to go. So you want to be careful with the liquid that you add, because this actually tends to get soft easily. Okay, so you want to be careful. Altogether I'm using 3.5 cup of flour, because I kept half a cup for kneading. Okay, so you want to altogether is 4 cups, so you want to keep half a cup for kneading. And yeah, that is it. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video, and season's greetings, guys. Season's greetings. Merry Christmas in advance. I love you guys. Okay.